Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got something really cool for all you Android enthusiasts out there. If you've ever admired the sleek and feature-rich MIUI Gallery and wished you could have it on your non-MIUI rooted phone, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to install the official MIUI Gallery on your rooted Android device. Alright, let's get started with the installation. The first thing you'll need to do is install the MIUI Core Magisk module. This is essential if you're currently running a non-MIUI ROM, as it provides the necessary framework for the MIUI Gallery to function correctly. You can find the download link for this module in the video description below. Once you've downloaded the MIUI Core module, the next step is to install the main MIUI Gallery module. Again, you'll find the direct download link for this in the description. You can install this module using your preferred method, whether it's through the Magisk app, the KernelSU app, or even via recovery if you have Magisk installed. After the main Gallery module is installed, we're going to install the MIUI Gallery Editor Magisk module. The link for this module is also conveniently located in the video description. Now, if you're using KernelSU, there's a small but important step you need to take. You'll need to go into your KernelSU app settings and disable the Unmount Modules by default option. This will ensure that the modules we just installed remain active after a reboot. And that's it. Once you've installed all the modules and disabled the setting in KernelSU, the final step is to reboot your phone. After your phone restarts, you should now have the fully functional MIUI Gallery installed on your device. Go ahead and open it up, explore all the features, and enjoy the enhanced gallery experience. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to bring the MIUI Gallery to your rooted Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.